Hey guys, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we will be unboxing Mystery Tacklebox for September 2021. Sorry this is kind of late guys, it's been kind of hectic this month. Okay, so I gotta open it first. Just using my husband's old K-bar knife. It's been through a lot, if you can't tell. Okay. Oh, and you know what? Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. It really does help. Okay, so the very first thing is a jack slap. Okay, so it's made out of tungsten. So it offers sinking, vibrating action. Well, it's definitely going to be shiny, that's for sure. Fish really do love that. At least the fish I fish for. It looks nice. It looks really nice. It's cool that it's made out of tungsten. I don't think you see that very much. Okay, so this next item is this silver scaleless tackle wobbler. Oh, and you know what? This was $7.19, guys, and this wobbler is $5.49. Wow. And the jig that's connected to it is huge. Wow, do you see that? It like has nice reflecting stuff going on. Okay, so I think they'll really like these two. I think that's really gonna help attract the fish. Okay. Okay, so this is Whack 'em and Stack 'em Custom Baits Chow Bells, and this is $5. It just smells like silicone to me. They're white, have some glitter going on. Maybe underwater these would be easier to see. The ones that I find that they like the best are the really bright colored ones, like orange, yellow, anything that really attracts them. Okay, so the fourth item is the Crypto Lures Bull Grub, and this is $4.99. Also smells like silicone. So 2 soft baits. And it seems like they didn't give you very much for either of these, in my opinion. But it's still not too bad for $5. Okay, and the very last thing are these Harmony Dropshot hooks. So these hooks are pretty big for the things I fish for, but if I'm ever fishing for something a little bit bigger, this will be nice to have. And these are $2.10. Okay, and then surprisingly it doesn't come with a book this month. Usually it has like a little pamphlet that it comes with. It comes with this nice sticker. It's kind of a cool sticker. It's like a fish tractor thing. But yeah, anyways guys, that's Mystery Tacklebox for September 2021. Let me know what you guys think. Would you guys be happy if you got this box? Ultimately, I made it out with a good deal. I only spend $12 a month on this box, and that pretty much comes out to $2 for each of these, which is pretty darn good. Like, you can't get that in Walmart, and these are really quality baits. Baits and jigs and hooks and all of those other things that it comes with. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks again for joining me, guys. Okay, bye.